Hi, we are group 2 and we are doing exercise 3 right now. So we need to download the car data on the first step from the web pages, which we have already downloaded, and then we need to create a cluster with Hive and Hadoop in AWS. So here we go. We have created a cluster. It's very simple. You need to just create a cluster and give the parameters, and then this is a cluster, and yeah, so it's done. And in step 3 we need to create a bucket in S3, and we need to upload the data and attributes file into it. So here we go. In S3 we need to create a bucket. We already have a bucket on our group name, so we need to upload the files from the car data, that is data and attributes file. So you need to upload it. It's uploaded successfully. Yes, it's done. And then next step, we need to go to the master node, that is using PuTTY. So we need to go to the host name. The host name, you get it in the cluster. That is when you go to open the cluster and then SSH, you type here, you get the host name here, and just copy and paste it to here. And then we need to go to SSH authentications. We need to browse our we created our key also, and then using it we converted into the ppk file, and this is a ppk key. So we need to open the ppk key and then open. So you get connected to the PuTTY. So now while creating the key, you give a password, so you give that again. Okay, so yes, it is connected. After getting connected with this is we need to go to the Hive. So we need to just type Hive in this, and it's getting connected.
Okay, so now that Hive is connected, our fifth step is to create a table with this name. So we have the command here, which the table name is uncc user car name data2. So let us just execute this command on Hive, and let me just paste this here. Okay, so I think we already have this table because we've already run this once. Let me just change it to this, and let me just run now. So yes, okay, yeah. So now that we have created the table, let us go to the sixth step, which is loading the data into the created table. So the command for that would be this, which we're loading data into the bucket name, and our bucket name is group 2. Now that we have seen what command, let us go here, and this would be the command, and our bucket is group add2 that we have created in S3. Let me just execute this here. Let me just check. Okay. So now that we have loaded the data successfully, let us run some SQL queries, which is basically we're overwriting whatever data is there into this file called car data hive output. Since we've already executed this once, let me just change the file name, and let me just execute this command. Okay, it's taking some time to execute. After executing this command, basically what we are doing in the next command is that we are copying this into S3, that is our storage on Amazon Web Services. So this would be the command to store it. Let me just execute this. Okay, so to execute this command we should first come out of Hive. That I've come out of Hive, and we are executing this command on Hadoop. Let me just run this on Hadoop. Now that I think it has been uploaded successfully, let us just go to S3 and check. We just go to services and S3, close this and go to S3, go to our bucket. There we go. Our output file has been created. Let us just check the contents. We have successfully run all the queries using Hive. So I think this is the end of our project.